According to the Project Management Institute, project management is a promising career path that offers competitive salaries and remote work opportunities. The demand of project managers is more than ever due to advancements in AI and remote work. If your next goal is to pursue a career in project management but don't know how to start, don't worry. In today's video, you'll explore some simple yet effective ways to pursue a career in project management. First comes staying updated with continuous learning. In the rapidly evolving world of project management, keeping yourself updated isn't just an option, it's necessary. To become a great project manager, you need to become a lifelong learner who continuously upgrades his skills to stay relevant to industry trends, technologies, and methodologies. So, actively seek out opportunities to learn through professional development programs, networking with experts, and attending conferences. Next most important thing is to take professional courses. With businesses relying on skilled project managers to drive efficiency, having the right courses is necessary. Courses provide in-depth knowledge of project planning, risk management, methodologies, and leadership skills, ensuring you're well equipped for the job market. Another effective way is to gain relevant experience. Companies today seek professionals with experience in the relevant field that validates their expertise in efficiently managing projects. Experience not only enhances your knowledge but also boosts your resume and makes you stand out in the job market. So, you should seek out valuable opportunities of engaging in volunteer roles to gain experience in a real-world context. Networking is another important aspect of pursuing a successful career in project management in 2025. It's not about what you know but who you know. Connecting with experts, joining communities, and attending seminars and conferences can open doors to new opportunities. Do you know that many companies prefer hiring through referrals? So, expanding your network increases your chances of getting a great job. Also, engaging with experienced project managers allows you to learn from real-world experiences and stay updated on new trends. Another way to pursue a career in project management is to develop key skills like strong communication, time management, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. You need strong communication skills to coordinate with teams and clients effectively and smoothly. Time management skills are also necessary to handle multiple tasks, setting priorities, and meeting deadlines effectively. And you know what? Critical thinking and problem-solving skills help you to tackle unexpected challenges while keeping projects on track. So, the key to success is to focus on continuous learning, take recognized courses, gain relevant experience, develop key skills, and build a strong network to start your career in project management. If you are looking for a flexible way to study project management online, Inspire London College offers a wide range of project management Ofqual qualifications. Visit our website and enroll in your desired course to start your journey today.